Hello my friends, in this review we will talk about one of the cheapest VICTORINOX. What are the cheapest and classic is BANTAM. It's classical model, so we will compare it with Spartan, with Tourist. About the same, but little more expensive. So what we have, one blade and one this universal bottle opener. It also can open some other things. We will test it for open. It's really worth it. So how it looking for, how it work. And this one, second one too. Almost all, besides those two. This one I use all time, this one to speak I think it's useless too. No one don't need it for my opinion. And let's see, compare with, as I say, Spartan and other Tourist. So in the left side we have our BANTAM, in mid side is Spartan, in right side is Tourist. And about the same, let's check with opened side. In here is BANTAM, in mid is Spartan, below is Tourist. About this, let's at first start from different material cutting. Just compare it, for example, with my small delica. 60 grams, 33 grams and 200 grams. This one back. And let's see different tests of cutting. Cutting is not very difficult, but you should remember about sizes of knife. It's not very big. You may cut by parts, not for one cutting, but we can use it, for example, for meat, for cheese. Maybe not so comfortable, but that's in the same time really knife. But for example, for this one lemon, without any problems. Next one, what I want to show you in some extremal solution, can be also work with wood. As I said, it's small knife. It would be not very comfortable. Also soft stainless steel, but it can be useful even for this one using. Next one, what interesting, this one bottle opener. I understand that it can open bottle, but let's check how it can also open. This one by also shredder, and this one for cutting isolation. It was a little difficult to open this one when I at least first time used those type opener, but you will see after 1 minute all would be fine. So for my opinion, it's like classic SDF, for example, but more interesting knife. It's bigger knife. Also, it can be like, for example, the same Smartan Tourist, but it's more, they are more fit than this one and more high cost. This one would be interesting like a first VICTORINOX, if you don't have such kind of knife before and want to try it. Very lightweight, very small, in any country legal and can be useful. I almost forgot. In description of this video would be link where you can buy it, and there also would be link for my text review with hyperlinks inside to other models what I showed, including those two knives. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.